What if I say you can put together a protein-packed lunch in under 10 minutes? Well, yes, it's these Chana Dal pancakes with a delish green coconut chutney. Pre-prep the batter the night before and cook them just before serving or packing to work or school. Let's see how these are made. We start with 3/4 cups of soaked chana dal for about 5 to 6 hours. Add them into a mixer grinder jar with about 4 to 6 green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 small onion roughly chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 1-inch ginger peas, and enough water to blend it to a smooth batter. Cover and rest for a minimum of 30 minutes to overnight. I'm going to do overnight, so I'll just rest this in the refrigerator. For our green chutney, we're going to use half a cup of salted peanuts, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, a nice handful of coriander and mint leaves, salt to taste, 2 green chilies, 1-inch ginger peas, a dash of lemon juice, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and enough water, and blend this to a smooth chutney. So I added in some more peanuts and a bit of sugar later on. It was a total of half cup of peanuts. The chutney is done. So it's the next day and I'm ready to whip up the pancakes. I'm going to take out some batter and add in just a pinch of hing or asafoetida, salt, and enough Eno. So we make this in batches, otherwise the Eno sorts of sit down and the pancakes won't be fluffy. So I've just taken enough batter as needed and keep adding in a little bit of Eno or baking soda. So we'll cook the pancakes on a hot tawa with some oil. Covering helps here since these are a little thick in size. So about 3 to 4 minutes on each side on a medium flame should suffice. We'll make more pancakes. And these are ready. I love to serve them with the green chutney and my favorite Mediterranean salad. The recipe is linked below, so do check it out. And that's a wrap. I love how fluffy these are in texture. I hope you all enjoyed the video and the recipe. If you did, do leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you soon in the next video. This is Sakshi signing off. Bye.